Sanibonani, welcome back to enye video. Ngiyabonga kakhulu for coming. Ungakhohlwa ukusubscribe, like video, ushare video as well. So yeah man you guys, izolo lokhu bengisakhuluma ngoBhuxolani Khumalo obe presenter akaSizokuthola wagcina ke laphana eseshila umsebenzi omhlambe esexoshiwa sisho ngenkathi ke kugijima icala lakhe leliyana elokudlula emhlabeni kwalo yabhuti okwathiwa iziwa ze-DRUG Kingpin Tontoni abathi mabeqeda kushoota ke angazi kwenzakalani allegedly wayelimele kakhulu after that particular incident and then wasephuthinishe esibhedlela and then wafike wadlula emhlabeni kwathiwa nguRobert Very into kanjalo okuyiyona into eyafaka uBhuxolani Khumalo enkingeni. Siyamazi uBhuxolani Khumalo when it comes to uhlelo iSizokuthola ishow Sizokuthola from Moja Love Channel 157 right. So ke izolo lokubenzenza ama video ngaye ngithi uXolani Khumalo kuthiwa ke ama charges have been withdrawn, wonke lawo ama charges ayimeda nantontoni bekunama charges ambalwa. Wayenikele emaphoyiseni ngaleso sikhathi sokudlula kaRobert Very ngesikhathi efuneka, wayenikele emaphoyiseni and then sezokuthi uphume ngebail ka 20,000 rands and then Moja Love sezokuthiwa ke hey they distance themselves from uXolani Khumalo, akasasebenzi kaSizokuthola ngazi usexoshiwe oyekile into ikanje bafethu emveni kokuthi akudlulelwa umuntu wesilisa kuthiwa ke bona anti siyazi badila ngama bahamba like bethi khipha lawo ma DRUG idakamizwa. So mangabe loyo muntu osebenza ngedakamizwa mengazikhuphi angazi kwenzakala lapha mangabe bethi zilethe and awuzilethe, you know what I mean. So ababesho ayimina bathi wayithola isibhaxo waselimala kakhulu, kulimaleni kwakhe wayisibedlela loyo Robert Very angazi wayengwakuphi Nigeria noma mhlambe those countries right. Wase uyadlula emhlabeni. So ke kwase kufaka uXolani Khumalo enkingeni bafethu esifuna abomthetho sambona ukuthi unikelile emaphoyiseni sabona sokuthiwa is out on 20k bail. Lwaduma kakhulu udaba kaXolani Khumalo bafethu okaSizokuthola ngokudlula emhlabeni kwalo wesilisa ikhona kwagcina sokuphuma uXolani Khumalo kungena uXolani Maphanga kulelu hlelo iSizokuthola. Okay, so if you do watch, if you've got DSTV, I'm sure uyambuka uSizokuthola so something like that. So besakhuluma nje ukuthi kuthiwa ke ama charges have been withdrawn, uXolani Khumalo is now a free man. Kuhlehliswe konke when it comes to uXolani Khumalo. So ngithe mase shayisile emsebenzi into mama sengibona ke kunezindaba lapha kuthiwa ke uXolani Khumalo is now back on the job, he's back on Sizokuthola. Ngicabanga ukuthi emva kokuthi ke kuhoxiswe yonke into bafethu usebuyelile emsebenzini uXolani Khumalo allegedly izikoni itori ngale ngesingisi kodwa lana kaSolezi bebethe kujabula abaningi ngezindaba zokubuyiswa kukaXolani Khumalo ohlelweni olwamfaka enyakanyakeni. Kune statement as well from uMoja Love ngizosinamika lana on my screen Moja Love Channel 157 DSTV channel. Okay, so statements on the 15th, which is yesterday, for immediate release. Much loved DRUG combating show Sizokuthola returns with uXolani Khumalo at the helm. Okay, so asisifunde kancane masinenkinga yamehlo. Moja Love DSTV channel 157 is bringing the heat through its popular and much loved show Sizokuthola, which combats crime and fights its scourge mhlambe of DRUGs in community. Season 4 of Sizokuthola will see an old favorite uXolani Khumalo return to the screens and collaborating with various law enforcement organizations across the country to fight the scourge mhlambe of DRUGs. Now on the return of uXolani, Moja Love's head channel Ulibuane Takata said uXolani is known for his authentic and on-air engaging presence, and we have seen how he has built a strong connection with the viewers nationwide. His return will continue to strengthen the channel's commitment in raising awareness on the plight of the DRUGs and its impact in communities in collaboration with law enforcement. Now I'm grateful to be back at Moja Love, that is uXolani, a place that is a home to me. I have an opportunity to reflect and I look forward to reconnecting with the amazing viewers and showcase my talent to Mzansi. That was uXolani Khumalo. Viewers can expect exciting and explosive episodes in the upcoming season of Sizokuthola to be aired on soon. Okay, now for the press inquiries, interviews and edition Tontoni Nonzwakazi Sekete, spokesperson and media liaison. Is yona nto ebhalela phana ku statement kukhulunywa ngokubuya back kukaXolani Khumalo on the show ke isizokuthola bafowethu. Besisakhuluma ngayo izolo sithi former presenter Xolani Khumalo, former presenter, is no longer i-former presenter bafowethu. Kuthiwa ke uyajika uyabuya emsebenzini njengoba ke wonke amaxhala akhe aye ahlehliswa, which means he's a free man ke manje abakaMoja Love sebethi ukumthatha back ngoba abantu bebemthanda uXolani bafowethu umsebenzi awenzayo, bekungekho umuntu ofuna ukumisa that particular show. Sizokuthola wonke umuntu befuna ukubuka usizokuthola kade lisane bethe slicer tsothi Xolani Khumalo returns on Sizokuthola. That is the story there bafowethu. Besigcwele yonke indawo nje ukuthi uXolani uyabuyela on the show, right? Yeah, ilona dabendo phethe bafowethu about uXolani Khumalo balibhaleke kuma publications amaningi ukuthi useyaphindela ngoba nangu ukuhamba kwakhe wayetrendile kakhulu ukuthi Xolani Khumalo is fired, Xolani Khumalo ntontoni, Robert very this, the man passed away, uXolani nesizokuthola bayenze this and that. Kodwa ke namhlanje kuthiwa ke he is back on the show, so sesizombona ke kuma screens wethu very soon. Congratulations to Xolani Khumalo for coming back. Gasizokuthola bafowethu baqhubeke benza umsebenzi omuhle engathi bangasebenzisana nabo umthetho ukwenzela ukuthi makukhona umuntu olimalayo at least abomthetho bakhona, you know what I mean. Ngiyacabanga mina ukuthi lo msebenzi abawenzayo unzima bafowethu. Cabanga na Xolani Maphanga sasibona nje sokuthiwa kune case against Xolani Maphanga, kune case abantu sathi how Xolani Khumalo enama case up and down, manje sokungiXolani Maphanga naye cases and cases. Unzima lo msebenzi okuzama ukulwa nedakamizwa bafowethu and ulwa nabantu abanzima laphiyana. So uma kungekho abomthetho for me ngicabanga ukuthi kubenza bangene enkingeni kakhulu because mase befika lapha nabelwa nalabo bantu kwenzakalani whatever happens bagcina sebeboshiwe sokuthi umuntu ulimele, sokuthi umuntu ushonile, you know what I mean. Kodwa ngiyacabanga ukuthi mabenga include abomthetho bafake nje you know amaphoyisa bethi noma belanda umuntu thizeni kube kukhona i-backup okungamaphoyisa, something like that. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi lokho kungabasiza when it comes to ukungena enkingeni, you know what I mean. Angazi bafethi ngoba mina ngibona nje bonke abapresenter loluhlelo bengena enkingeni kakhulu, angazi noma mhlambe ngiyahlanya, but I'm just saying Maphanga naye besimbona ngama court case angapheli, uXolani naye ngama court case. So cabanga bafethu, it's not an easy job, it's not really easy. Sengathi bengathi mabehamba ke beyohlasela loyo muntu abamsola ukuthi unedakamizwa behambe namaphoyisa, wena benza umsebenzi wabo amaphoyisa agadeni anything that happens, you know what I mean. Just me thinking out loud, ngingasho ukuthi ngiyazi mhlawumbe kanjani, but angithandi belokhu bengena enkingeni njalo bafowethu bayaboshwa bafuna amaphoyisa abahambe namaphoyisa, you know what I mean. Ngicabanga ukuthi kungaba ngcono, angazi your thoughts on the comment section kuzosho uvo lwakho bese uya subscribe, uya like, uya share. Siyabonga kakhulu, asibonane kwelandelayo, bye.